Here we are in section 1-4 with the solutions to numbers 30 through 39. Here it says to combine like terms and simplify. Sounds nice enough. 8a plus 25a, that's just a 33a. That's not so bad, just they're both like terms, and so they go into 33a. The next one, number 31, 21m squared plus 85 minus 15m squared. Here's the m squared, 21m squared minus 15m squared. That's 6m squared. And then 85 plus 16 is 101. There we have it. That wasn't so bad as well. All right, let's see about some of these others. Number 32, x minus 37y plus 16x. So there's x and 16x. That's going to make us 17x. And then we have negative 37y plus 13y, and that is a negative 24y. Yeah, that's not so bad. Number 33. This one has some parentheses, so we have to distribute, so we'll get terms that we can actually add and subtract. So negative 2x times 5x, that's negative 10x squared. And then negative 2x times 6, that's minus 12x. There we go, plus 3x plus 4x squared. So that was kind of important to get rid of the parentheses so we could now see this. Okay, so let's see, x squareds, we have negative 10 and a plus 4. That's negative 6x squared total. And then the x's right in here, add together, we have negative 12x plus 3x. That's negative 9x. Excellent. All right, let's try the next one. Number 34. 2 to the third power, okay, that's 8. And then this negative 5, now watch the negative has to go in with it. So it's a negative 15x minus 40y, and then minus 10x. Okay, so far so good. They're just the one number, 8. Let's try and see the x's go together. So these can go together, the negative 15x and the negative 10x. So we have a negative 25x, and we have a positive 8. We could put that on the first or the last, minus the 40y plus the 8. So the 8 could go anywhere there as long as it's positive, and the negative 40y. So it could be 8 minus 25x minus 40y. That would have been okay. All right, good. Let's try number 35. So go ahead and jump this guy in. And we get 2f to the third power minus 8f squared g plus 10f to the fourth. Okay, that's getting rid of those parentheses, so the terms are then available to be added to other like terms. We don't have any like terms. That's our answer right there. Oh, that's good. That's nice. Okay, let's try number 36. Negative 3z has to jump into the 5, to the 11z, and the minus 2z squared. So we get negative 15z plus 33. Nope, not a plus. Let's go back on that guy. Negative 3 times positive 11 is a minus 33z squared y. And then minus 2z squared, so that's plus 6. So negative 3 times the negative 2 is a plus 6. Z times z squared, we now have 3 z's all together. Excellent. Okay, the next one, let's do number 37. Got a couple of sets of parentheses. Notice these x's can't combine because they're stuck inside the parentheses. So distributive property, let's jump that in, and we get 3x plus 12 minus 5x plus 45. Make sure you understand where that positive sign came on the 45. It's negative 5 times a negative 9. So 3x minus 5x, that's a negative 2x. and then positive 12 and a positive 45. That's a positive 57 that go together there. Cool. All right, number 38. Oh, this one is a big one. Got to work from the inside out. Let's take care of the parentheses first. So we'll jump that in and that in. So we have 7 brace 2 minus bracket 33 minus 6x plus 1 minus 16x. Okay, do we take care of all the parentheses? Yes. Okay, now we're going to take care of the bracket. So we're going to jump this guy in here and there and there. You could combine, if you wanted to, that 33 and that 1 to make a 34. That would have been all right. We'll combine near the end 2 minus 33 plus 6x minus 1 minus 16x. Okay, make sure we see that that negative sign is almost like a -1 that jumps in. And if you'd like to think of it as a -1, you're certainly welcome to, but we're subtracting everything that's in there. And so it changed the sign of each one. Let's simplify this up just a little bit. This is going to be 7. What can we combine? Let me see the x's. Here's 6x minus 16x. That's a -10x. That's totally in those braces. And then we have 2, and then we have a -34 going on here. -34 and a +2, that's a -32. All righty, good. Now when we jump the 7 in, that's not so bad. That's -70x minus, let me see, 7 times 30 is 210, and 7 times 2 is 14. So -224 is what it looks like there. Good. All right, number 39. Let's do the same thing. Start with the parentheses on the inside there and jump that guy in there. So we get -4 brace bracket 3x minus 6 plus 7. Okay, that's in a bracket there. Minus 12x minus 8. And then just the brace on the end. All right, let's take care of the bracket. The brackets, there's nothing here. You can't, there's nothing to jump in. So those brackets are actually useless. Huh. If you'd like to think about it like a 1 that got jumped in, that's all right. We end up with -4. What's in the brackets is 3x minus 6 plus 7 minus 12x minus 8. Yeah, interesting that without something to jump into everything in, specifically in the brackets, like here we had a minus sign that had to be distributed into the brackets. Over here we didn't. Let's simplify that down just a little bit. -4, this gives us 3x minus 12x, that's a -9x, and a -6 plus a 7, that's +1, minus 8 is a -7. Is that right? Yeah, -6 and -8 is -14 plus 7. Yep, there we go. And the -4 jumps in, and we get positive 36x plus 28. Oh, excellent.